You're gonna get stuck under that chair and hit your head. Go get it. You are so tired right now, Peyton. No, leave Mommy's purse alone, please. Oh, here we go. Got your shirt out. P. Now he's under the chair. Oh no. How are you gonna get out? How are you gonna get out? Crawl under. Go under the chair. You gotta duck. You gotta duck your head. Duck your head. Good. Go back. Go down. Mama help. I help. Okay, you gotta go back. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Spin your body. Under. Let go. Yay, Peyton!